Alright, I've made it to St. Peter, and these are unofficial trails, but there's jumps back here. I'm going to do warm up back here, and man, is there a lot of leaves down. There it is. There it is. Oh yeah. I kind of sailed over that one, but not really. Alright, there's the double. Oh, came out of my pedals. Woo! Oh, well, I haven't been back here on this bike yet, so I gotta try that again. Alright, here we go. Second run. Might do another run after this. Really gun it. I keep coming out of my pedal. That was a piece of cake. I'm not quite clearing them. Man, they are so run down right now. This is like a nightmare. Yeah, it's really moist back here too. I'm gonna go back around the main trail and hit this thing. I got some awesome pictures of myself back here. I don't need to get any pictures. I got some pictures of these jumps here when they're like, when these jumps here were doubles. Actually, I think the doubles are further back, but nobody's maintaining this area. So, okay. About face. The easiest way to do this is from this way. This is a very worn down, needs some serious attention area. Oh, like that tree right there. Oh yeah, you can't even get speed. I feel like I'm losing it. Well, that's the St. Peter jumps. I'm trying to think of what would be the best thing for these. Try the main line one more time.